ZipBooks Guide. Looking for simple accounting software? Let's walk through ZipBooks, setup, invoicing, expenses, bank feeds, projects, and reports. So start by signing up at zipbooks.com. The dashboard gives you an access to invoices, expenses, projects, and reports. You can go ahead and enter your business details, add clients and vendors, and connect your bank account to import transactions automatically. Now, once you click on invoices, you can go ahead and create a new invoice, add client details, items, and payment terms. Use recurring invoices for regular clients and enable auto reminders for faster payments. Now, head over into the transactions tab to be able to record your expenses. So go to expenses, and then under that, you can go ahead and add an expense. Enter vendor amount and category, upload receipts to keep records organized. Now, you can also connect your bank account. ZipBooks imports transactions and uses AI to suggest categories, review and approve matches to keep books accurate. Create projects to group invoices and expenses. Log billable hours directly in ZipBooks and assign tasks to clients for better tracking. Generate reports like profits and loss, balance sheet through the reports tab. So use the financial health score and client intelligence to monitor performance and client profitability. ZipBooks is simple, smart, and affordable. It is perfect for freelancers and small businesses, but if you need payroll or inventory, QuickBooks or Zero may be better long term.